Good morning, students. Myself, Bhargav Rajyagur, working as an assistant professor in Supa's Technical College. Once again, good morning. Today, we will discuss about a subject, network technology and administration with SEO, search engine optimization. That is in BCA semester 3. First of all, we discuss what are the main topics covered with this particular subject. We have a pattern of 70 marks examination, external examination. In this exam, it covers a syllabus of total 5 units. Unit number 1, basics of network and LAN sharing with transmission media. That is a subject content network. What is the network? What is the requirement of network? What is computer network? Why computer network needed in industry? Another one, LAN sharing. What is LAN? Local area network. How can we share the resource from one computer, one machine to another machine, one system to another system, and which are the transmission media they are using to transmit data using appropriate network. So that is unit number 1. In that we have network concepts like what is network, what is the uses of network, network services. It covers which kind of services can we achieve, can we get using network, computer network. What are the network access methods? CSMA, CSMA-CD, CSMA-CA, carrier sense, multiple access, collision detection. These are the access method. How can we access the data from computer or source? These are the access methods. Token passing, pooling. Advanced network topologies like Ethernet, CDDI, FDDI. Next topic, that is communication methods. Which are the methods available to communicate between each other? That is unicast, multicast or broadcast. Another one, OSI, Open System Interconnection Reference Model. It covers different layers. From which layer we can pass the data, what are the communication layers, all the things we cover in this particular topic. Another next one, TCP/IP protocol model with 4 layers. File and printer sharing. How can we share printer? How can we share resources? Encryption and compression. Encryption, encrypted material. How can we use encryption media or encryption details, as well as compression. How can we compress the data? Transmission media, it has 2 types, guided media as well as unguided media. Guided media covers coaxial cable, twisted pair, crimping or twisted pair cable, fiber optic cable. Unguided media, infrared, laser, radio or microwave. Multiplexing, demultiplexing, cable network devices, wireless network devices. These all topics will be covered with a unit number 1. That is unit number 1. Now next one, unit number 2. That is, it deals with network protocols, network routing as well as IP addressing. Now there is a question, what is protocol? I think everybody should know what is network. That is a collection of anything, any object. We can discuss later on in this video series, but that is a simple network. But what is protocol? So we can say that some particular rules and rules can be implemented within an object, that can be say protocols. Specific rules. Network routing, route, on which route can we transmit the data, that is routing. And IP address, internet protocol addressing. This kind of topics cover in unit number 2. packets and protocols. We can send data with using a packets. There is a collection of number of bits and bytes get together and make a package. How can we send packet from one source to another source, or one client to another client? That is a packet. Protocols, set of rules, connection oriented as well as connection oriented protocols as well as connectionless protocol. Now we can say that TCP, transmission control protocol, that is a connection oriented protocol, as well as UDP, that is connectionless protocol. What is routing, types of routing, static, dynamic, default. What is IP address? We learn so many times IP, but what is that? How can we configure the IP addresses? What are the ranges available with IP addresses? What are the domains available with IP addresses? How to configure IP addresses? What is DHCP? That is Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. There are some patterns, we can say static IP addresses as well as dynamic IP addresses. So we can use DHCP, static IP as well as dynamic IP. Types of IP addresses, IPv4 and IPv6. These are the IP address pattern. So in second unit number 2, it covers the network protocols, network routing and IP addresses. Now unit number 3, for the first and second unit we have multiple computers, that is a network. Now as and when we connect more than one computer in a single domain, then there is a question of security. So unit number 3, third unit, deals with network security, basics of network security, internet connection and sharing. So fundamental of network security, security methods, which are the methods available for security, encryption, cryptography, authentication. These are the basic methods for security. Security principles, what are the criteria, what are the requirement of security? So there is one model, CIA model. CIA stands for confidentiality, integrity as well as availability. So these are the basic pillars of security principles, security mechanism. Next topic that deals with basics of internet. What is internet? How can we access internet? How can we download and upload the data using internet services? What are the internet services? That is basics of internet. How internet is connecting with computer? How can we connect our local system, local computer to the internet? That is next point. Another one, technology related to internet, that is dial-up technology or ISDN technology or leased line technology. ISDN, integrated service digital network, ISDN, that is basically used with BSNL broadband services. BSNL also use dial-up technology. These are the different kind of technology. Using this technology we can connect internet globally sourced to local. Now another one, VPN, virtual private network. What is the use of VPN, types of VPN, uses of VPN, and what are the protocols used in VPN? That deals with VPN. Proxy server as well as firewall, these both are very important topics. Proxy server, when our main server is not working properly, or we have to make load balancing for our main server, then we can use proxy server. Firewall, to make authentication, to make security on our internet or intranet, we can use firewall, GPS, GPRS and CCTV technology. These are the basic topics or content covered related to unit number 3. That is our syllabus. Unit number 1, basics of internet. Unit number 2, internet protocols and related things, and unit number 3, security. Okay, now next unit number 4, that deals with search engine. Now in recent area, each and every people wants to make their content in a faster way. Got it? Suppose I have uploaded one video on YouTube using YouTube, then I think that any person will search my video, it must be in a first row, first link. That is the mentality of humankind. So how can we search? How can we search our content with an easy way, with the easiest way and smallest little time that deals with search engine optimization, SEO techniques? That is unit number 4, search engine basics and first stage of SEO. So it covers lots of theory portions as well as practical also. We concern with these topics like the mission of search engine, what is the exact mission, why search engine uses. Another one, what is the market share of search engine? See, network has a market share, applications has a market share, as well as all applications and software have market share. How can we use market to upload, to make your data publicly? So what are the market share of search engine? Human goals of searching. Why humans searching some content? We know Google, that is a search engine. We can use Google to make a searching purpose. If you want to search a recipe of any dish, then we can search. If we want to search how can we learn a French language, then we can search on Google. So how Google responds? What is the goal of searching? How people search? See, there are so many techniques using this. We can search easily. I have one basic example. If you want to search PDF files for any topic, suppose how can we forecast the weather? How can we forecast the weather? That is my topic, and I want a PDF of this particular topic. Then I have to add in Google. I have to write in Google how to forecast a weather plus PDF. So it provides me all the literature, all the files related to PDF. Okay. So there are so many techniques, types of queries. How can we make a query, instruction to the search engine tool? Eye tracking, how user can result pages. So Google and each every tool, every searching tool has a tracking mechanism. How can we, what are the searching, what are the content we are searching on Google? It will directly search and directly log. So eye tracking, click tracking, whenever we are clicking on a particular object, it may be advertisement or it may be a particular image or video or anything. So whenever we are clicking on a particular object, it noted in its on domain. So how user click on results, natural versus paid. As per the human mentality, we are less interested to search a paid content. Somehow we are also using paid content, but whenever we are accessing content in free, we prefer that. Understanding search engine results. There are so many results in particular searching mechanism. So what are the results says, what results says, and how can we analyze in a short duration? That is understanding search engine results. Another one and that is algorithm, ranking based ranking system, crawling, indexing and ranking. How can we rank our page, how can we crawl our page so that third person, another person can directly access our content. That is crawling. Advanced search techniques, operators, setting SEO goals and objectives. The major elements of planning. How can we plan to make our website, to make our page on the top row? That is a planning. identifying the site development process and players, which are the components that we can use in to crawling first, defining sites information architecture, combining business assets as well as historical data to conduct SEO or website SWOT. What is SWOT? SWOT analysis, and that is connected with strength, weakness, opportunities and threats. These all are analysis. So students, in unit number 4, it covers with SEO, search engine optimization. SEO. Okay. Now, as per our syllabus, that is a last unit, unit number 5, developing an SEO friendly website with keyword search. So that is a practical. How can we make our website and how can we implement the search engine tool in our website? Okay. Now it covers the theory behind keyword search, that is long tail and short tail. There are two types of searching: making site accessible to search engines. How can we use the sites in search engine? Creating an optimal information architecture. So whenever we are searching some websites, there are many words. Using this word, your website come at the top row, and user can easily find your website, find your content. That is optimal information architecture. So we have to provide some information related to website, then user can easily search. Root domains, subdomains and microsites. We have to planning for this. Keyword targeting, content optimization. Now there is some major topic or we have to cover, and that is duplicate content issues. There is no duplicate content in our web page or website. So the content of our page must be unique. Content delivery and search, spider control. There is a mechanism, spider control. Using spider control we can search, we can find our text very easily. Keyword search tools, XML sitemap, flat versus deep architecture. We can use this both of architecture. Opportunities in vertical search, the increasing importance of local, mobile and voice recognition search. So students, you are also familiar with search with voice. In Google there is a tool, voice search. Whatever we are saying, it will search automatically. Suppose we are saying that petrol pump near about me, so it will search on our voice and give me results where are the petrol pump located. Okay. Next one, ongoing evolution of search. What are the currently ongoing evolution, or what are the new trends available in search engine? And last one, practical demo of blog website using WordPress or Google Blogger. We will deal with a simple web page that is using WordPress or Google Blogger. And that is how to make implementation, how to make a practical session using SEO techniques. So these are the 5 units deal with search engine optimization. Students, that is our first video lecture in this session, in this semester. We go forward with syllabus and topic wise. So that is 5 unit of your syllabus. Next we start unit number 1, and that is topic first, what is network.